Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram to professional profile. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram and then tap on your profile icon right here. After that, tap on three lines icon at the top right and here select settings. Next, once you are in settings, select account and scroll down to the very bottom and now click on link switch to professional account. There tap continue again, continue one more and continue the last time. So now you need to choose what describes you in the best way. I will select editor. You can choose anything you want from that list, and also you can select display your status on profile or not. I will disable it and tap done. And here on the next step you can select who you are, creator or business. I'll select creator, tap next. And there are 5 steps to set up my profile as a professional account. I can go into these 5 options or I can just tap cross icon to close that window, and now I see that my profile is business. I can easily check it, just tap here on 3 lines icon and there, and now I see that my account is professional because some new features is appeared like add tools or insight, and I also can check it. Just go back, tap on 3 lines icon, select settings, and here at account section I see switch account type. If I tap on that, now I see that I can switch my account type to personal or to business, so that means that my account is currently professional. That's how it works. I hope it helps you, and before you go, please like and subscribe.